Yo, welcome back to GIJO Gadgets YouTube channel. Yes, today I'll be making another YouTube video for unboxing video. So before I proceed, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Yes, welcome back. First of all, I want to thank you for continuous support us in this our YouTube channel. Okay, so as you can see on my table, I have one parcel here that I bought from Shopee. It's actually Airbrush painting system. So it's my first time to purchase this gadget and want to try out for the painting on my 3D product. Okay, so try to venture into this thing, painting. Okay. Okay. So let's see what we have here. Okay. So there's no name. Plain box. Okay, there you are. So this is the manual. Okay. So this is the manual. Come with English and Chinese. Colorful menu flyer. Okay. Okay, looks good. All right. So there you are. Okay, so this is the airbrush system. It's KKmoon. Okay, KKmoon. This is the head cover, the nozzle cover. Okay, wow, very nice. Stainless steel. Yeah, it's heavy. Okay, so we have this. So we have the power supply, power adapter. The output is 12 volt, 2.0 ampere. All right. So with this standard plug, DC plug, and to this compressor, mini compressor. Okay, it's a KKmoon airbrush compressor. Airbrush compressor. Okay, input 12 volt, DC 0.8 ampere. Pressure is 25 psi. A output per minute is 10 liters per minute. Okay, so it's not that heavy and light. Okay, and then this is the filter. Yes, I think it's a filter. Okay, right. And this is the painting hose, the airbrush hose. Okay. Okay, this is where you put the like this, I guess. Yep. Okay. And this is the instruction manual, not in color. Okay, with the introduction, specification, and how to use, and also warning. Okay, good. Right. So basically, this power switch on off, and this is the power rate. Okay. So we power up and test. I ordered this, but I forgot to order the color. Anyway, yeah, we just try out first. We'll make another video for painting probably later when we receive the color. Okay, so this is the power adapter. Here we plug here. Okay, so let's try it, power on. Okay, it's working, see? Right. You can see the paper on. Oh, not so strong wind. Okay. So this is the hose. Can put it here. Slot it in here. Okay, it's tight enough. Okay, it's about 1.5 meter long. Yeah, 1.5 meter long. Okay, and this end connect here. No, sorry. Supposed to be at the bottom here. Yes, you are right. My mistake. So of course, first we have to see the manual. Okay, and this is the way we can put the brush like this, right? So we can hold it like this while we paint. Okay. There. You can feel the wind, the air pressure. See? Okay. Okay, since we have no paint, so I still have to study on this new gadget. See what I can do with it with my 3D print. Okay, so I think that's about it. Oh yes, it shows you how to do the cleaning as well. Airbrush cleaning instruction. Okay, so it comes with all the accessories here. Okay, yeah, so I think that's about it. Okay, so thank you for watching.